There you go. I think we got it, guys. There you go. That's better. I'll try to cut that out, guys. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but okay. Anyways, cold start down all the way. There's no prime on this Stihl. Chain brake, we'll turn it off. Okay, let's try it. Fire it up. I'm gonna do a couple more, don't worry. Guys, that's awesome saw. Wow. Okay, lots of power. I'm a fan of the 661, you know, that thing's got crazy power. But this is exactly what they say it is, guys. This saw, fuck, it's gonna go dull now. Fucking snow. It's exactly what they say it is, guys. It's not too heavy. Tons of power. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably go max 28, maybe 32 maximum. You get what you pay for, guys. High quality saw, very high quality feeling. Tons of power, feels comfortable in your hand. Premium chain. Stihl's the best chain, I think. I think they have the best bars, and power heads, honestly, guys, I think they're the best. I mean, if you're using something every single day, $100, $200 extra, I mean, that's not that bad, guys. You might as well just get the best. Just spend the extra money, you know,